Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to put a BMW 1 Series in reverse. We'll cover the specific steps for both automatic and manual models, ensuring you can confidently engage reverse. You'll also learn some helpful tips to make the process smooth and avoid common issues. Whether you're new to a BMW or need a quick refresher, this guide will help you master reversing your 1 Series with ease. For automatic BMW 1 Series models, engaging reverse is straightforward. First, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Then, locate and press the unlock button, usually found on the side of the gear lever. While holding the button, push the lever forward past the initial point of resistance. You'll see the letter R illuminate on your gear shifter or dashboard, confirming reverse is engaged and ready. Engaging reverse in a manual BMW 1 Series requires a specific motion. Fully depress the clutch pedal and apply the brake. Move the gear lever all the way to the left, past the initial blockade. You'll need to apply a bit more force to push it further left, then push it forward. You should feel a distinct click as the reverse gear engages. This design helps prevent accidental selection of reverse instead of first gear. When reversing your BMW 1 Series, always prioritize safety by checking your surroundings thoroughly. For manual transmissions, it's common for the gearbox to feel a bit stiff, particularly when the engine is cold. A firm, deliberate push is often needed. If you encounter difficulty engaging reverse, try shifting into first gear briefly, then attempt reverse again. If problems persist, such as grinding or jumping out of gear, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.